Hey, it's Tuesday. I just got done with class and we're in the Civic trying to fix the speedometer issue because I believe the speedometer issue has a thing to do with the actual gauge cluster, because I checked the sensor and the sensor is all good. It's like 60 degrees outside and it feels great. 60, 70, anyways. Speedo sensor is back here. Here's the wires going to it. Obviously I don't know if these are the actual wires, but anyways, they look clean. That's my point. There's a little chew mark right here, but it's not chewing into any actual wire. Maybe a little bit right there. Anyways, I don't believe it's an issue with wires because I've wiped the oil off of the wires. It's not leaking oil anymore. So the only other option is for it to be the gauge cluster. Also, sometimes it works. Like yesterday I was making a right-hand turn and it just kicked on and started working after that. So I don't really know what's up with it, but we're gonna look in the gauge cluster, take it off, and see if there's any arced, burnt, or unsoldered connections. I'm making smoothies! It's Wednesday, and we're about to go to the state fair. I made cinnamon rolls. Yeehaw.
That's one that Tiffany got that from on her.
Ugh. An I road. Interesting. Oh, whoa. Oh my god. That's cool. What's up? It's Thursday. It's like 6 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm excited, but I'm also sad. We just sold the Accord for $950. There's no more Accord in the driveway, just the Civic. But we're moving on to bigger and better things, like a Toyota 4Runner. Here we go. It's the next big step. All right. So we also have a big to-do list today. Yesterday was the fair. I tried to put together a little edit of us doing stuff at the fair, state fair. If you haven't been, I highly recommend it. There's a lot of interesting food options to try. We're gonna clean my damn room. That's why my bed doesn't have any sheets on it anymore. Echo, please step off of the bed. Step off of the bed. Echo, come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. Oh, you just gotta stretch. Good boy. Good boy. The next thing that I need to do is write my philosophy paper. That's due at midnight tonight, and it needs to be like 4 pages, and I'm at like 2, which means I have many. Okay, just went right back onto the bed. I have many more pages to write. So, with that being said, I'm gonna go do a bunch of freaking homework, like the typical student I am, typical good old student I am. Get a polarizing filter for my camera, because basically a polarizing filter just kind of filters out some of the sun, some of the glare from the sun, and lets you capture the detail in the sun. So it's called high dynamic range, HDR. A lot of phones have it, if not every single phone has it enabled by default, but basically it just allows me to get sharp detail in the car, and then that way I'll also be able to get some detail in the headlights of the car and or the sunset and other highlights of the image that are normally super overexposed. This next chapter of my life is happening right now. If you want a new chapter of your life to happen, you just literally take that step. Just take the first step and you'll just start snowballing all the way down. Like, we have like 850 followers on Instagram right now, and we started with like 100 like a year ago, or not even, like 6 months ago. I started working on it during the summer again and just started working it up, took that first step, and it just started snowballing down, and now we have 800 followers. It's insane. Take the first step. See you tomorrow. It's winter time. It's Friday, and it's 60 degrees outside. I don't really know what I have to do today, but I think we're just gonna edit some photos and got a little surprise for later. So, see you later. And we're gonna go, I gotta get some dog food, and then I got to withdraw some money for that good old 4Runner. It's Sunday. We did not go to the Fueled Up meet because I overslept. We're gonna go to look for a surprise for the 4Runner. Then after that, we're gonna go get some photos and maybe some video of my friend Brandon's car. He has a slammed Jetta. It's been on the Instagram page. I'll probably put a picture up here. It's been on there quite a bit because it's a sick looking car. The surprise that I was talking about is a certain something. Thanks to Leland, my friend Leland, he has a 350Z. I don't think I have any pictures of it actually, so I can't really put it right here, but he works at Car Toys, so he hooked us up with a box, 10-inch JBL amp sub, and a 2-channel amp. And it'll be in next week's vlog, but yeah, got a 10-inch sub for the 4Runner. I'm going real fast. These are literally the best stabilization I could ask for. So we just got done with the photo shoot, and it was a lot of fun, and now I'm gonna go home and eat some more, I think. This is gonna be the end of the vlog. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, click the bell for notifications, and hit the like button. See you guys next time.